Making your emails easy to read. A guide to readability. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a very important aspect of email writing: readability. It's not only about what you write, but also how easy it is for others to read and understand your message. So, let's make your emails more engaging, easy to read, and effective. When we talk about readability, we're discussing how easily a reader can understand a written text. In emails, it involves factors such as the complexity of sentences, choice of words, paragraph length, and the overall organization of content. By improving readability, you make your emails more accessible, clear, and engaging, which helps you communicate more effectively. Start with simple language and clear sentences. Avoid complex words or jargon that your reader might not understand. Write as you would speak in a professional setting. Using short, clear sentences helps in conveying your point without confusion. Break down complex ideas into multiple sentences if needed. Remember, clarity is key. Next, let's talk about the use of paragraphs. Long blocks of text can be intimidating and difficult to follow. Break your email into short paragraphs, each one focusing on a specific point. This helps your reader to process your message more easily. An email should be effectively organized. Start with a polite greeting, follow with the purpose of your email, then provide any necessary details or explanations, and finally, end with a clear closing. This logical flow makes your email easier to understand. Don't forget about formatting. Use bullet points or numbered lists for presenting multiple points or steps. Use bold or italics to emphasize key points, but use them sparingly to avoid cluttering your email. Finally, spend time on proofreading. Check for spelling and grammar errors, and also pay attention to the overall flow and structure. Reading your email aloud can help you find awkward phrasings or confusing sentences. Remember, a well-proofread email is more likely to be a readable email. There you have it, learners. By focusing on readability, you can ensure your emails are understood clearly and efficiently. Make your emails simpler, well-organized, and proofread thoroughly to enhance readability. Thank you for joining today and keep practicing. Remember, good writing is a journey, not a destination.